Okay, Mustafa. Let's start from the paper 3 and paper 4 for the human nutrition. It's the digestive system portion of the human nutrition, right? So come to the page number 2, right?
Yes.
And read the question number 1.
Yes. Figure 1.1 is a diagram of the digestive system. Say the letters from figure 1.1 that represents where salivary amylase is produced.
So
A.
yeah, it's the portion A. Okay. So what is A according to you in the figure?
It's the salivary glands.
Very good. These are the salivary glands. Okay. Okay. Now the second part.
Where insulin is produced. Think C.
Okay. So C. That's right. Good. So what is C? What is the name of part C?
Pancreas.
Yeah, pancreas. Okay. And what's about the liver? Where is the liver?
G.
Okay. The structure G is the liver. That's right. Very good. Okay. So what about the next?
Where protease acts. I think E.
Yeah. So E is the portion where protease acts. That's right. And what is E according to you?
A is the small intestine.
Very good. Okay. So read the next one.
State one function of the hydrochloric acid in the stomach.
So what is the function of hydrochloric acid? Sorry?
To increase the optimum, to increase the pH so it reaches optimum level.
Okay. So basically, Mustafa, in the human stomach, the pH is 2, right? So you should say that to make pH up to 2. Optimum for so can you tell me that what is the name of enzyme working in the stomach? Protease, right? Working for protease. And yesterday I told you that the name of enzyme that acts as a protease in the stomach, that is pepsin. Right, very good, excellent. So pepsin is the protease that works in our stomach for the digestion of proteins. Okay, so now move to the next page. Okay, so have a look at the next one.
Figure 2.1 is a diagram of part of the human digestive system. Using the information in figure 2.1, state the letters where chemical digestion of proteins begin.
Yeah, where it begins?
C.
Yeah, so it's the part C where the digestion of protein begins. Good. Next one.
Hydrochloric acid is produced. C.
Yeah. Next.
Physical digestion of food occurs. A and E.
A and C. It's not the E because there is no physical digestion in the small intestine. It's only the mouth and it's the stomach where the physical digestion takes place. So you should say that. But it is saying that yeah, okay. So A and C, right?
Yes.
Okay. What about the next part?
State the name of three parts of the intestine: colon, rectum, and anus.
Yeah, very good. So three parts of large intestine. The first one is colon. The second one is rectum. And the third one is the anus. Right. Good. So move to the next one page.
Many processes occur in the digestive system. The boxes on the left show some of the processes. The boxes on the right show descriptions of some processes. Draw one line to link each process to its description. Draw 4 lines.
Okay. So
Absorption is the movement of nutrients from the intestine to the blood.
okay, that's right.
Digestion is breakdown of food.
Okay, good.
Digestion is the removal of undigested food from the body as feces.
Good.
Ingestion is taking substances into the body.
That's right. Very good. And Mustafa, if we have a look at the last one, explanation, what can be the name given to this process?
Assimilation.
Very good. Excellent. It can be called as the assimilation. Okay. That's right. Move to the next page.
Figure 7.1 is a diagram of the human digestive system. State the link in figure 7.1 that identifies the gallbladder. H.
Yeah, H is the gallbladder. That's right. Okay, next one.
The organ that secretes salivary amylase. A.
Okay, that's right. These are the pair of salivary glands present in our mouth. So A. Okay, next one.
Where ejection occurs. F.
F. That's right.
Where most absorption occurs. G.
Yeah. So G is the part of small intestine where absorption takes place. Good. Next one.
Where physical digestion occurs. C.
Yeah. So C. Stomach. Okay.
Where the pH is acidic. C.
Yeah, that's right. Stomach is the place where pH is lowest, that is the 2. Okay. Jump to the next page.
Figure 7.1 is a diagram showing some of the organs in the human body. Table 7.1 shows the name of some of the organs in figure 7.1, the identifying letters of some of these organs and their functions. Function excretes carbon dioxide from the body.
Yeah,
The letter is E.
it's the letter E. Okay. So we can put the letter E here. And can you tell me the name of organ placed in the letter E? Sorry?
Lungs.
Yeah, that's right. These are the lungs. Okay. Next one. Heart. Where is the heart?
The heart pumps blood to the body.
Okay. So it pumps blood to body. Okay, that's right. Next one.
F. Stores urine. And F. Is it the
This one. So this is called as the urinary bladder, right?
yes?
This is called as the urinary bladder. Okay. So what about the next part?
A.
So the next one says excretes urea, excess water and ions. That's right, it's the part A. Okay. So what is the name given to the part A? Organ A?
Kidney.
Yeah, very good. So these are the pair of kidneys. Okay. Move to the next page.
Figure 1.1 is a diagram of the part of the digestive system. Should one letter from figure 4.1 that labels the part of the digestive system where digestion occurs. D.
Yeah, the ejection occurs at this point. It's the part D. Okay, next one.
Should the two letters from figure 4.1 that label the parts of the digestive system where water is absorbed.
Yeah, where the water is absorbed in the digestive system.
C and E.
Yeah, C and E. So what is the name of C? What is C?
It's the colon.
Yeah, and what is E?
One intestine.
Yeah. So C and E, these are the parts where absorption of water takes place. Move to the next slide.
Figure 3.1 is a diagram showing part of the human alimentary canal and associated organs. The boxes on the left show three letters from figure 3.1 that identify three different organs. The boxes in the middle show the names of some of the organs in figure 3.1. The boxes on the right show some functions of organs. There are three lines to link each other to the name of the organ the letter identifies in figure 3.1. There are three more lines to link these organs to a correct function. There are a total of 6 lines. Letter D is anus.
Okay, that's right. What is the function?
Digestion.
Yeah, that's right. Next.
Figure E is ileum.
Okay. Function.
Absorption.
That's right. Good. Next one.
G is the mouth.
Okay.
So the function is ingestion.
That's great. Okay.